Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to update your website on Wix. Whether you're fixing a typo, adding new photos, or refreshing your designs, updating your published Wix site is quick and easy. But it's also important to know the right steps so you don't lose your changes or confuse your visitors. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel totally confident making updates and keeping your website fresh and professional. Let's get right into it. So imagine your site is already published and live for the world to see. Now, maybe you want to add a new section about your latest project, update your business hours, or even swap out a banner image for something more seasonal. Wix makes this really straightforward. First, just head over to your Wix account dashboard and open the website editor for the site you want to update. You'll see all your site's pages laid out exactly as you built them. Now, here's the nice part. You don't have to take your website offline or unpublish it to start making changes. Your visitors will keep seeing the live published version while you work behind the scenes. Think of it like working on a draft of a newsletter before you send it out. You can take your time and get everything looking just right. Go ahead and make the changes you want. Maybe you want to rewrite a few sentences on the About page to sound more welcoming, or delete an outdated event from your Events page. You can move elements around, change text, upload new images, or even add new buttons if you need people to take different actions. Take a moment here to double-check your spelling or consider how new content will look next to existing sections. Wix's drag-and-drop editor is very forgiving, so you can experiment a bit and always undo something you don't like. Once you're happy with your edits, here comes the key part, and a step that trips up beginners sometimes. To make sure your updates actually appear on your live website, you need to hit the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. This step is absolutely essential. If you close the editor or leave without publishing, your changes will be saved as a draft, but your visitors won't see them. In other words, your live site stays the same as before. Think of the Publish button as flipping the switch. Now all your hard work gets pushed out for the world to see. After you click Publish, give it a moment. Wix will process all your updates and your site will refresh, now showing all the new changes to anyone who visits. Don't worry if you don't see the updates instantly. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for your browser to load the latest version. If you want to be extra sure, try opening your website in a private browsing window or clear your cache. That way, you'll see your site exactly as your customers or readers do. And really, that's all there is to it. Just remember, make your edits in the Wix editor, then hit Publish to lock in those changes for your visitors. If you ever make a mistake, then you can always tweak things and publish again. Wix is designed to let you continuously improve your site. Every update is a step towards showing your audience that you care about staying current and professional. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you got stuck anywhere or have questions about a specific type of update, please drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like the video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more simple, clear website tutorials. See you in the next one.